When the drone's altitude exceeds 15 meters, press the cruise control button after operating the joystick to activate constant speed cruise mode. After GPS lock is acquired, you can update the return home point. Drag the map to manually select a new return point, or choose the drone's/remote controller's current location as the new return point. Click Update to confirm the new return position. Tap to enable GPS follow, requires strong GPS signal and a flight distance within 50 meters. Activate point of interest mode. Use the right joystick to intuitively adjust the orbit radius, speed, and direction. Route rules. Set your flight path and let the drone follow it automatically. Vertical shooting. Switch between 4 vertical shooting ratios for optimized social media content.